Question number 3. What should be added to 6234 to make it divisible by 9? Okay. So what we have been given here? Given number is equal to 6234. To find number to be added to make divisible by 9. Okay, so what will be the solution? We know that divisibility of 9 rule is if the sum of digits of the number is in multiple of 9 or is in table of 9, then the number can be divided by 9. Okay, so for solution we will write let the number to be added be x. We will consider that number as x. Then what we will do? We will add all the digit plus this x, and that should be in multiple of 9. So what we will do here? We will add the digits, that is 6 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus x is equal to, what is addition of this number? 6 plus 4 10, 10 plus 3 13, 13 plus 2 15, and what we are required? Our requirement is that the number should be in multiple of 9. So after 15, the next multiple of 9 is 18. So we can write this equation as 6 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus x is equal to 18. If the sum comes 18, then the number will be divisible by 9. So here we solve this sum. So we can write therefore x is equal to 18 minus addition of this is 15. So 18 minus 15. Therefore x is equal to 3. Right? So what is x? X we have considered the number to be added. So our answer will be 3. Okay.